Margaret Spiegelman, she hands me a grocery list. And I say, what is this? She gives me $100 and says, that should cover it. 3 whole catfish wrapped separately, a 6-pack of Mountain Dew, tissues and some beef, a dozen tulips, a bottle of water, a can of blue spray paint, a giant tub of Vaseline. Sometimes we have a competition, but not that one. Maybe next one, okay. She told about the Vaseline, very specifically. There's a baby size, a mommy size, and a big fat daddy. The daddy is the one I need. I don't know why I need it, but you don't argue with Margaret Spiegelman. I agree. 3 whole catfish wrapped separately, a 6-pack of Mountain Dew, tissues and some beef, a dozen tulips, a bottle of water, a can of blue spray paint, a giant tub of Vaseline.
Took a big breath there, didn't you?
I know, well, I was a disadvantage of not having sung the rest of the song.
Charlie, you're super out!
Super note. I walk up to the door of the grocery store, preparing myself for all the weirdness that I'm in for. I mean, what do when the cashier looks at you when you've got those assorted items sitting there in front of you? 3 whole catfish wrapped separately, a 6-pack of Mountain Dew, tissues and some beef, a dozen tulips, a bottle of water, a can of blue